Hi everyone, this is Hannah and John, Auto Key Chase. We had a call from a client a couple of days ago where the vehicle had been broken into and they had ripped out the ignition barrel, tried to get it starting by doing a bypass, but the vehicle has extra security on, so they were unable to take it away. So we're here today to put a new barrel in and secure the vehicle and make it mobile again. I'm going to show you a video of it all up and running, but this was all done in 10 minutes. This was all taken out. On these you can just plug in a box here which jumps the system, so they took that out, they'd have plugged in a box and they would have just tried to start it and drive it away, but obviously because of the extra security on there they couldn't. But now we are barrel down. Go on John, I'll let you in. There we are, so at a point now, got the ignition in and secured on, and it does start, but it's got an immobiliser on there, so I can just turn it over. Just need to put a password in before we can start it, but we're just going to put the van back together and everything's all working, keys all sorted, all up and running. Have a lovely day all, take care, bye now.